Mastering daily expressions. Went to bed too late. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, went to bed too late. This expression is used frequently in daily conversations, and understanding it can help you not only improve your English comprehension but also express your own experiences more accurately. Let's explore what this phrase means, its variations, and how to use it in your conversations. Stay tuned. The phrase, went to bed too late, refers to the action of going to sleep at a time that is later than what is considered normal or healthy. It implies that the person might face consequences such as feeling tired the next day. This expression is often used to talk about one's own habits or to comment on someone else's sleeping patterns. To fully grasp the meaning, let's break it down. Went to bed. This part of the phrase indicates the action of lying down in bed with the intention of sleeping. It's the past tense form of go to bed. Too late. This indicates that the time of going to bed was later than usual or recommended. The word too suggests a negative outcome because of the lateness. 1. Personal experience. I went to bed too late last night and now I'm really tired. 2. Advice. Don't go to bed too late, or you'll be exhausted tomorrow. 3. Observation. She always goes to bed too late and struggles to wake up in the morning. Variations of this phrase include, stayed up too late, or didn't get to bed early enough, which convey similar meanings but might be used in slightly different contexts. Understanding and using the phrase, went to bed too late, is crucial for expressing personal experiences related to sleep habits, giving advice about healthy sleeping patterns, making observations about others' habits in a way that is easily understood by English speakers. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, went to bed too late. It's a simple yet expressive way to talk about sleep habits, something that affects us all. By incorporating it into your English conversations, you can communicate more naturally and effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Sweet dreams and see you in the next video.